Good morning children, welcome to maths class. So what we discussed in the last class, just we will have a recall and then we will go for next one. So I told you about multiples and factors and the common multiples, common factors, then least common factor and highest common factor. Least common multiple, highest common factor. Everything I will show you once with one example. Multiples and this is factors. Write the multiple of 4 and write the factors of 4. Okay, write the multiple of 4, write the factors of 4. Okay, how to write it? Okay, first writing multiple of 4, writing factors of 4. Okay, how to write multiple of 4? So, what are the multiples of 4? Multiples are nothing but tables. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24. These are the multiples of 4. What are the factors of 4? What are the factors of 4? Factor in the sense 4 is in which table? 4 is in which table? First 1 fours are 4. Next 2 ones are 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 is there. 3 ones are table 4 is there. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. No 4. So next 4 ones are 4. So these are the factors of 4. Multiples andre tables hengiruttalla hang bardirodappi. See 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24. These are all the multiples of 4. Factors andre enu 4 yav table al ade. Suppose if we take 12 yav table ide table al ide. So 1 12s are 12, 2 ones are table allu 12 ada. So 2 is the factor of 12. Then 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. So that is also factor. Like this, list outing the factors. After this, find the another number I will take, 12. Write the common factors of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48 and so on. And here also write the factors of 12. 1 12s are 12. 2 3s are 2 6 are 12. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. And 4 threes are 12. 5 ones are table 12 is there. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. So in 5 table no 12. Next 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. 7 ones are no, 8 is also no, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is the also factor of 12. Find the common multiples of 4 and 12. Common multiples is equal to, what are the common here? 12, 12, 24, 24. So that we should write. These two are common multiples of 4 and 12. Okay. Next, common factors. Common factor of 4 and 12. Search the common thing. 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, 4. So 1, 2, 4. These are the common factors. After this, identify the least common multiple are LCM. LCM of 4 and 12. What is the least one in this? 12 and 24. These are the common factors. Which is the least one? Which is the small? Least in the sense small one. So 12 is the smallest. So 12. Here, highest common factor. Highest common factor. That means HCF. HCF 1, 2, 4. Which is the highest one? 4 is the biggest one. So HCF is 4. LCM is 12. I hope you understood, and I will tell you some easy method to identify the LCM and HCF. I told you about prime numbers, prime factorization. What is prime factorization? By using one number, in that number we should identify the prime number. Suppose if I take 12, write the prime factors of this given number. How to do? By two methods. One is division method. Division method. Second one is factor tree method. 12 ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ಅದು ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಂತವು? ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ that should have only two factors. Those numbers are known as prime numbers. We should identify prime factors of 12. So how now factors hang ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತಿದ್ವಿ. 12 is equal to 1 table ನಾಗ ಐತಾ 12. Yes, so 1. 2 table ನಾಗ ಐತಿ 12. Yes, 2 is the factor of 12. Next 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ. Yes. Then 4 ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ. Next 6 allu ide. Next 12. Here these are the factors of 12. But we should write now prime factors. What are prime factors? This is prime, prime, prime. These are not prime factors. These are composite factors. Because 4 is having more than 2 factors. 6 is having more than 2 factors. 12 is also having more than 2 factors. So these are just the factors of 12. But we should write the prime factors. What are the prime factors of 12? 1, 2 and 3 are the. See, this is prime number, prime number, prime number. Yes? We should identify the prime factors of 12. How? By two methods. One is division method and factor tree method. I will show you two methods. First one is division method. Going with division. Division ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗು. First we should see the ones place. If the ones place is having 0, 2, 4, 6. If the ones place is having 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, you should take first 2. Okay, to do the division method. Okay, suppose in this 2, if 3 is there, if 5 is there, you should take first 3 here. Got it? 2 and 3 you have to take first. When you should take 2, when you should take 5, I will tell you. If the ones place is having 1, 3 and 5, you should take first 3. If the ones place is having 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, you should take 2. Got it? Even number, odd number. If the odd number is there in ones place, you take 3. If the even numbers are there in ones place, you take 2 first. So our example is 12. Find the prime factors of 12. So we should do division method. How? 2, how much is it? 12. 2, 6 is 12. Yes? Again ones place 6 bantu. 0, 2, 4, 6. We should take again 2. Yes, 2 3s are 6. Next, what have come? 3 has come. 3 has come. We should not take 2 now because this is odd number. We should take 3. 3 1s are 3. So the prime factors of 12, 2, 2 and 3. Got it? Understood? These are the prime factors of 12. This is by division method. This is division method. And how to do factor tree method? Factor tree in the sense, after doing the problem that looks like a tree. So how to do factor tree method? Factor tree method. You should do 2 branches because tree is having branches. See the ones place. If it is 2, take again first 2. 2, how much is the 12? 2 6 is the 12. Yes. Observe both the numbers. Which one is prime? Leave it. Which one is composite? Again divide this. This is 6 is the composite number. Divide it again. 6. 0 2 4 6. Even number. So you should take 2 here again. Take 2. 2 how much is the 6? 2 3s are 6. Got it? Just both the numbers you observe. Is there any composite number? No, because 3 is also prime, 2 is also prime. Now this problem has over. Now the prime factors of 12 is 2, 2 and 3. Same answers. But methods are different. This is division method and this is factor tree method. Got it? Now, how to do LCM and HCF with division method? With division method. Division method. Find the HCF, highest common factors of 6 and 12. Got it? By division method we should do. Find the HCF of 6 and 12. How to do this? I'll show you. First take 6, do the division method, and take 12, do the division method. I told you already division method. If it is an even number, take 2 first. 2 3s are 6. Next 3 is odd number, so take 3 1s are 3. If we get 1, now the problem over. Got it? No, now 6 is equal to 2 into 3. Do this also by division method. This is even number, see ones place. 2 is there, so this is even number. Take 2. If it is even, take 2. If it is odd, take 3 or 5. Okay. Now see 2 how much is 12? 2 6 are 12. Now again it has come even number. Again you take 2. 2 3s are 6. Now it is odd. Now 3 1s are 3. What are the factors of 12? 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. We should identify highest common factor, HCF. So 6 is equal to 2 into 3. 12 is equal to 2 into 3. So HCF. HCF means highest common factor. So ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ common ಇರಬೇಕು. So here also 2, here also 2. One set we should take equal to 2. Here 3 is there, 3 is there. These two are common. Highest into 3. We should not consider 2. Once again I show you. 6 is equal to 2 into 3. 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. We got the factors by division method. So how to identify HCF? This is one set and 3, 3. So in this set we should take only ones 2 into this 3. Common we should take. Highest common factors we should take. So 3 is remaining. We should not consider this. We should leave this. So 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So HCF of 6 and 12 is equal to 6 is the HCF of this problem. Understood everyone? I hope you understood. Finding HCF by division method. This is not there in your textbook. For a simplification to understand and to identify the HCF easily, I am telling you this method. This is division method to identify the HCF of given numbers. I will take one more example. Okay, I will take another one example. The HCF of find HCF of 48 and 84. This is quite big problem. You will understand better now. Okay. So to identify HCF of 48 and 84, what we should do? By division method, first we should identify the factors. Take 48 first. Okay. Next 84. Do the division method. See ones place. This is even. Take 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. You should do division. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Got? Next again ones place you should see. This is 4. So again it is even number. Again you take 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Again ones place is 2. Take 2 again. 2 how much are 12? 2 6s are 12. Again 6 has come even number. Take again 2. 2 3s are 6. Now this is odd number. We can't take 2. You should take 3 now. 3 1s are 3. 1 has come means the problem finished. So what are the factors of 48? 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1 2 3 4 2 into 3. 1 2 3 4. Okay. Now identify the factors of 84. See ones place. It is 4. So take 2 even number. So take 2. 2 2s are 2 4s are 8. Again 4 is remaining. 2 2s are 4. Now 42 ones place again 2. Take 2 again. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Now see ones place. 1 has come odd number. If 1 has come you should try 3. So table 3. 3 ones are you read. 21 is there in 3 ones are. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21. Next 7. 7 is there in any table? No, because it is prime number. So 7 1s are 7. So 1 has come. So division is completed. Now write the factors of 84 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Okay. Now write that down. 84 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Now we should write HCF of highest common factor of 48 and 84 is equal to, now common factors you take in a circle, 2, 2, again 2, 2, no 2, 2, take 3 and this 3, 2, 2, 7, there is no set. So we should consider only 2 into 2 into 3. So multiply this, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are. Read it, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So answer is 12. So HCF of 48 and 84 is equal to 12 is the answer. This is division method to identify HCF. By division method only we can identify the LCM. This one I will explain you tomorrow, that is least common factor. I told you about highest common factors. Tomorrow I will teach you by division method how we can identify the LCM. Now look at your textbook. Open page number 280. Find the HCF of the following. 48 and 84. Already I solved on the board. Yes. Let us practice 2.7. 2.7. First problem was 48 and 84. See, I have solved on the board. This is division method. And next 132 and 165. So I'll show you one more. This you write in your fair. Okay, next go for second question. This is practice. Let us practice 2.7. In that, this is first problem. Find the HCF of the following 48 and 84. Okay. You all write this in your fair book. Okay. Pause the video, see the board and write it. If you can do your own. Next we will go for second problem. Second problem, find the HCF of $132 and $165. Okay, do by division method. 132 you take first. See one's place. This is even number. Take 2. First 2. This is 13. Nearest to 13. What is the number in 2 table? 2 1 2, 2 2 4, 2 3 6, 2 4 8, 2 5 10, 2 6 12. 2 6 12, but here 13. 1 is remaining. That one you consider with 2. So 1 you consider with 2, it will become 12. So again 2 6 12. Next even number. Take 2. 2 3s are 6. Again 2 3s are 6. Now this is odd number. Take 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. Still the problem division is not completed because 11 has come. 11 is a prime number. So 11 1s are 11. Now the division is completed. Now 132 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 11. Now take 165. Both the numbers you should identify the factors by division method. Now see ones place. This is 5. If the ones place is having 5, you should take 5 first. You should not take 2 and 3. Take 5. 5 on the 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15. 5 3s are 15, 1 is remaining, again it will become 15. So 5 3s are 15. Now 3 3, take 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. 11 1s are 11. Factors of 165 is equal to 5 into 3 into 11. This you write here. 5 into 3 into 11. So HCF of 132 and 165 is equal to, make a group, here 2, but here there is no 2. After 2 there is a 3, set of 3, then 11 11. So take among 2 3, you should take 1, 11 11, take 1 11. So 3 11s are 33. So HCF of 332 and 165 is equal to 33. Okay? Do write this in your favor. This is second problem. Okay? And you should come to know to do this in your own. This is HCF, highest common factor. And the next problem, 1 and 7. Third one. HCF of 1 and 7. You know this already. 1 and 7, if is there, what is the common factor? What is the common factor? I told you in previous class, 1 and 7. Let's take the factors. What are the factors of 1? So 1. What are the factors of 7? 1 and 7. Yes? Common is 1. So HCF of 1 and 7 is equal to 1. See, this is the common factor. Next, go for fourth one. HCF of 1 and 14. Take the factors of 1, only 1, then 14. 14 is in which table? Factors you should write. 14 is in 1 table, 2 table, then 7 also, 7 table, then 14 table. But common we should take HCF is equal to 1. If this is the property, this is one interesting case. If they told us to identify the HCF of 1 with any number, you take 1 with any number, the answer will be 1. Got it? The HCF of 1 with any number. It may be 1 and 100, it may be 1 and 1000, it may be 1 and 98. The HCF will be always 1. Okay? This is the interesting case of HCF. I hope you are writing this in your favor. Okay? Complete this. Next, question number 5. 5. 37 and 29. Take the HCF of division method and 29. See, just observe the numbers. Both are prime numbers. So 37 is not there in any table. So 37 ones are 37. 29 ones are 29. Is there 29 is there in any table? No. So the factors of 37 is 1 and 37. Factors of 29 is 1 and 29. So HCF, highest common factor is only 1. This is also answer 1. So highest HCF of 37 and 29 is equal to 1 is the answer. Next, sixth one. Find the HCF of 96, 64 and 112. So 3 they have given. No problem. Do 3 divisions first. Okay. 96. Even number take 2. 2 4s are 8. 1 is remaining 16. 2 8s are 16. Again even take 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Again even take 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. Next take 64. Take 2 because this is even number. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Again even 2 1s are 2. 1 is remaining. It will become 12. 2 6s are 12. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Next 112. This is even number. Take 2. 2 5s are 10. 1 is remaining 12. 2 6s are 12. 2 2s are 4. 1 remaining 16. 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 7s are 14. 7 1s are 7. So write the factors down. List down. 96 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 2s. Next factors of 64. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Next factors of 112. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So now HCF. Set you make it 1, 2, next 3. So take from this I got to 1, 2, 3, 4 2s. After this is not having any factors, so these will not be considerable. So in this set 1 2, this is 2, again 1 more 2, again this one. Now HCF of 96, 64 and 112 is equal to, you have to multiply this. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 16, 16 2s are, how many 2s? 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Got it? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So answer is 16. So I completed 2.7. Next 7 and 8 word problems. Write the questions and wait for the answers. Tomorrow I will solve these on the board. You can write these in your text. No, maths fair. So complete up till this 6 problems you should complete. Next write the word problem. Question you write and wait for the answer. If you are able, that numbers also you should identify the HCF. Okay, tomorrow I'll continue this in the next class. Thank you.